Welcome back, students. So let's move on to the next part of this analytical paragraph writing, that is conclusion. In the previous two video modules we have discussed how to make introduction and then what to include in body or the main content of analytical paragraph. Now coming to the conclusion. Now see, this is what the conclusion of the paragraph. This is expected here, that your conclusion that should summarize your conclusion part of your paragraph writing. It should summarize the idea which is mentioned I wrote in short here, which is mentioned, and the information also in short, and the information in general. It means in general it should summarize only in 2 or 3 lines, or 1, 2 lines, 2, 3 lines here and there, that 1, 2 lines what the information in general, in summary, in short, whatever that you have mentioned above. And one more thing here, because generally we have a habit that in concluding part what we do, generally we used to keep our own personal information, our own observation or response here. But here in analytical paragraph, you should not use any personal opinions, no personal opinions, plus conclusions, and no observation, no personal response. Clear? In your conclusion. Then simply only one thing that you need to do here, simply stick to the facts. Here there is no space or no place for your own observation, for your personal opinions, what do you think, etc. No, not at all. Next, here you can summarize, for example, you can conclude in 1 or 2 lines the conclusion, or 1 line here and there, 2, 3 lines. So then what is the key? Just we need to remember one thing. Which thing that we need to remember, keep in our mind, that what is the key of analytical paragraph writing? What is the key? Then first we need to choose, or before that we need to read the question carefully, plus we need to observe the given table, we need to understand it carefully, the given chart, table, data, whatever, outline. So to choose, then to organize the facts in a proper way, organization, then state concrete or the correct facts, state correct facts, and then summarize. Choose organizing, state correct facts, and then summarize. This is what a key for a proper analytical paragraph writing. Now coming to the next, the phrases. For your conclusion, that you can use the following connecting words or the phrases. For what? For your conclusion, or this conclusion part. For example, here instance we took here overall, you can use the words or the phrases like overall, subsequently, in all, in a nutshell. Then for the chart given, or for the above chart given. Next, in short, in nutshell, in brief, striking changes, then including, or therefore. Such words or connecting words, phrases, connecting phrases that you can use in your concluding part here, or the conclusion. So children, so far in detail we have discussed the phrases or the words which we can use in introduction, plus in the body or the main content of your paragraph writing, and then here the last part, that is conclusion. So now here I think it is or you have understood it to you clearly. Now in the next video module we will take one example, only that writing part we will take here, only for your understanding. Thank you, students.